Have you ever wondered how your favorite KFC Crispy Tenders, cheesy snacks, or even sushi rolls are made before they reach your plate? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes into the fascinating world of food factories, from juicy chicken breasts to perfectly seasoned sushi. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll never look at fast food the same way again. And hey, if you love these kinds of insider food adventures, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our foodie family. The journey begins at the chicken farm. Our adventure kicks off at one of KFC's largest chicken farms in the United States. But these aren't just ordinary farms, they're highly organized spaces designed for the health and comfort of the chickens. The barns are spacious, giving chickens plenty of room to move around freely, which is important because chickens that roam more tend to grow stronger and healthier. Automatic feeders and clean water dispensers are everywhere, ensuring every bird stays hydrated and nourished. Unlike cramped, stressful environments seen in other farms, here the chickens are happy and stress-free. Once the chickens are fully grown, modern collecting machines gently gather them into secure crates. These machines are designed to be extra gentle so the birds aren't stressed or injured during transport. Gentle processing at the plant. When the chickens arrive at the processing plant, the gentle treatment continues. Skilled workers carefully unload them using conveyor systems that minimize stress. Here, advanced machines take over for humane processing. Chickens are rendered unconscious quickly, with safety and animal welfare as a top priority. Next is the cleaning process. Feathers are removed, feet are separated, and internal parts are cleaned. High-pressure water jets wash every chicken to make sure it's spotless. After drying, the birds are carefully cut into pieces. KFC keeps the breast pieces whole for their famous tender recipes. Roller pins remove the skin, and precision machines separate the meat from the bones without damaging it. Every step ensures that the final product is safe, clean, and ready to become that crispy, juicy chicken we all love. Creating juicy, tender chicken. The chicken breasts are then placed in drum rollers, which gently tumble the pieces to lock in moisture. This process makes the meat extra tender and juicy, giving that perfect bite we all crave. After tumbling, the chicken is sorted manually to ensure safety and quality. Each piece is sprayed with a solution that eliminates harmful bacteria, keeping the meat safe to eat. Next comes the coating. The chicken is covered in flour, which creates that famous crispy texture. No artificial ingredients are used, and shaker belts make sure every piece is coated evenly. Partial frying locks in the flavor and moisture, giving the chicken its golden brown exterior while keeping the inside tender. Perfecting cheese snacks. Cheese cubes are treated with the same care as chicken. Each cube is battered, coated with breadcrumbs, and passed through automated machines for consistency. This ensures that every bite is perfectly crunchy on the outside and gooey on the inside. These machines can handle thousands of cheese cubes per day, making the process fast without compromising quality. From mixing ingredients to packaging, every stage is optimized to produce large batches of perfectly coated cheese snacks. Potatoes transformed. Potatoes go through an intense cleaning process before becoming fries, wedges, or mashed potatoes. They start on conveyor belts and are gently washed with a stream of water. Soft, rotating brushes scrub the skins to ensure hygiene and remove any dirt or impurities. After drying, abrasive rollers peel the potatoes, and then they're cut into the desired shape: wedges, halves, or for mashing. For mashed potatoes, freshly boiled potatoes are blended with butter and milk, producing a creamy, smooth consistency. Special nozzles ensure even distribution so every batch is consistent. Baking perfection in pizza and buns. When it comes to pizza, precision is everything. Dough is spread into pans for partial baking, then layered with sauces and cheese. Automated machines handle everything, from shredding cheese to evenly sprinkling toppings. Each pizza is then frozen immediately, locking in freshness so it tastes like it was just made. Did you know some factories can produce thousands of pizzas per day with perfect consistency? Buns get the same high-tech treatment. Dough is shaped automatically, allowed to rise perfectly, and vacuum systems remove extra crumbs. The result? Fluffy, golden buns that are identical every time. Candy crafting magic. Candy production is a world of science and art combined. Honey candies are mixed, rolled, and kneaded until smooth and rich in texture. Machines cut each candy into exactly the same shape and size, then wrap them for freshness. Jelly Belly candies go through mixing, molding, and spinning processes to achieve their perfect size, texture, and flavor. With hundreds of flavors, every bite is a little adventure. Automation ensures speed, precision, and quality that humans alone couldn't match. Some candy machines can produce over 100,000 candies in a single day, all perfectly shaped and packaged, ready for shipment worldwide. Sushi rolls made easy. Even sushi benefits from automation. High-quality rice is washed, cooked, and seasoned to perfection. Conveyor systems spread the rice evenly, while workers layer fresh meats, vegetables, and other ingredients on top. Rolling machines then shape the sushi into perfect rolls, which are sliced into bite-sized pieces and packaged for freshness. Some factories can produce tens of thousands of sushi rolls daily, with every piece maintaining the perfect balance of rice, fillings, and flavor. Automation ensures uniformity, but skilled workers still check quality to make sure each roll is just right. Kimbap. Flavor in every bite. Kimbap, the Korean favorite, gets a zesty makeover with carefully mixed spicy sauces in cooked rice. Ingredients like meats, vegetables, and pickles are layered before the rice is shaped into the iconic triangular packs. Each piece is then cut for the perfect bite, sealed, and kept fresh until it reaches your plate. Automated machines can produce thousands of kimbap packs daily, each one consistent in size, flavor, and presentation. Despite automation, workers monitor every batch, ensuring each piece has that crispy, fresh, and perfectly seasoned bite you love. It's a perfect mix of technology and care, making sure every kimbap is delicious. Automation meets quality. From juicy chicken to crispy potatoes, pizzas to candy, sushi to kimbap, advanced machines handle repetitive tasks with incredible precision. Humans supervise, but machines make large-scale production efficient, consistent, and safe. Every tiny detail is considered, from tumbling chicken breasts to seasoning rice, to ensure the best taste experience. Many food factories can process hundreds of tons of ingredients every week, maintaining quality and safety standards that manual labor alone could never achieve. Automation doesn't replace care, it enhances it, making sure that every bite you enjoy is perfect, fresh, and delicious every single time. The next time you bite into a KFC Crispy Tender, enjoy a cheese snack, or savor sushi, remember the incredible journey it took to reach your plate. Behind every piece lies precision, technology, and a careful balance of human supervision and automation. So if you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes journey into the world of food production, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your foodie friends, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible insights into your favorite foods. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we explore next.